Understanding, stay tuned, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in various contexts. Stay tuned. This phrase is not only popular in everyday conversation but also in media and entertainment. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Stay tuned originated from the early days of radio and television. It was used by broadcasters to encourage listeners or viewers to remain on the channel for upcoming content. Nowadays, this phrase has a broader meaning. It's used to ask someone to wait for further information or action. It's a way of saying, pay attention, more is coming soon. Let's see how stay tuned is used in various scenarios. 1. Media and entertainment. TV shows and radio programs often use it to keep the audience engaged for upcoming segments or episodes. 2. Casual conversations. When someone has exciting news or plans, they might say, stay tuned for more details. 3. Professional settings. In meetings or presentations, it can be used to indicate that more information will be shared later. While stay tuned is quite popular, there are other phrases with similar meanings. Hold tight for more, keep an eye out, more to come. Understanding these variations helps in grasping the nuance of different expressions. If you're learning English, here are some tips. Use stay tuned in informal contexts or to create a sense of anticipation. Be mindful of the tone. It's generally light and positive. Practice by incorporating it into your daily conversations or social media posts. That's all for today. We hope you now have a better understanding of the phrase, stay tuned, and can use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about keeping the listener's interest and hinting at exciting things to come. Stay tuned for more English language tips.